Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study about the new bad bank structure that has been launched. India's bad bank is born. Now do not go just by the name. Bad bank is really important for your GS paper 3 paper in the UPSC mains examination. मेंस के यूपीएससी के जो पेपर 3 का जो एग्जाम है उसके लिए ये जो आपका बैड बैंक टॉपिक है ना ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है. आई वुड गिव इट अ रेटिंग ऑफ 4 out of 5 stars if we talk about the importance of this lecture. अगर हम इस लेक्चर की इंपॉर्टेंस की बात करें तो एग्जाम पर्पज से मैं 5 में से 4 स्टार्स तो इसको डेफिनेटली दूंगी. सो योर अपकमिंग मेंस 2021, 22 एंड इवन 23 अटेम्प्ट यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट बैड बैंक. So what is the news? The news is that recently now the Union Cabinet approved rupees 30,600 crore guarantee to support the security receipts which is issued by the National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited for acquiring the stressed loan assets. This National Asset Reconstruction Company, it's a part of new bad bank structure that was announced in budget 2021. आप लोगों ने अगर बजट पढ़ा है ना तो ये टॉपिक आज आपका नया नहीं है. If you have studied the budget 2021 ना, then this topic is not new for you. And mind it, studying the budget is the most important part of UPSC preparation. If you are skipping that, then I am going to, give you a scolding. ठीक है. तो बजट को मिस मत करना. बजट पढ़ना तो बहुत जरूरी है. And also remember that class PDFs are uploaded on the Telegram channel. Now I'll let you know what is the news all about. So we have talked about the news so far. अभी तक हमने पढ़ा है कि न्यूज में white was in news. We have studied that because Union Cabinet approved rupees 30,600 crore गारंटी. एक गारंटी यूपीए यूनियन गवर्नमेंट कैबिनेट ने अप्रूव करी है. क्यों? टू सपोर्ट द सिक्योरिटी रिसीट्स which are issued by the NARCL. Okay. अब now over here the NARCL, यहाँ पर this is very important. ये portion बहुत important है. What is NARCL? NARCL is the part of the new bad bank structure that was announced in the budget this year. It is incorporated under the Companies Act, and also this association has applied to the RBI for a license to operate as an asset reconstruction company. Now let us understand what is an asset reconstruction company. So it is a company, it's a special type of financial institution that buys the debtors of the bank. जितने भी ऐसे है ना उधार जिन्होंने लिया है बैंक से लोन लिया है उन लोगों को खरीद लेते हैं at mutually agreed value और फिर उनका जो उधार है वो खुद से by itself रीपे बैक करने की कोशिश करते हैं या उनसे एसोसिएटेड कोई भी सिक्योरिटी है उन्हें खुद रिकवर करने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, so if there is a bank over here and it has some debtors, so this asset reconstruction company will buy off these debtors and will try to take the loan or recover the amount of loan from themselves. अपने आप से उनसे सारा जो लोन है वो निकाल कर फिर बैंक को सबमिट करेंगे. So the ARCs, they take over a portion of the debt of the bank that qualify to be recognized as a non-performing asset and it is registered under the RBI. Okay, point clear हो गया. This is the important part of the asset reconstruction company. So what is a bad bank? Bad bank conveys the impression that it is going to function as a bank but as bad assets to start with. Okay, technically ये एक asset reconstruction company है. So it is not actually bad. The name is bad bank because it is trying to repay off or trying to recover the loan or the debt which has become bad asset. जो NPA है ना, नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट हो गया वो उधारी जो कि अब रिकवर नहीं कर पा रहा है बैंक तो वो NPA में चला जाता है. ठीक है. तो इसीलिए उसको रिकवर करवाने में हेल्प करेगा ये बैड बैंक. तो इसका नाम ही बैड है बट ये एक्चुअली बैड नहीं है. इट इज गोइंग टू एक्चुअली हेल्प द बैंक्स टू कम आउट ऑफ देयर NPA मेस. ओके, पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ. सो बैड बैंक इज एन ARC. It, or you can say AMC, Asset Management Company or Asset Reconstruction Company. Such kind of banks are not, the usual banks. You cannot just go and, deposit your money in it. No, it is not involved in lending you the money. It is not involved in taking the deposits. But it will work with the bank to help them clean up their balance sheets and to solve all the bad loan related problem. ओके तो आप यहाँ जाकर पैसे जमा नहीं कर सकते, ना ही इनसे उधार ले सकते हो, ये तो कमर्शियल बैंक की मदद करेंगे उनके बैड डेट्स को या लोन्स को टेक ओवर करके उनको बुक वैल्यू से कम वैल्यू उनकी लेकर आनी है और उसको रिकवर करना है, जितना रिकवर कर सके उतना रिकवर करने में हेल्प करनी है. ठीक है, यहाँ तक पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ? दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर. व्हाट इज अ बैड बैंक? Unacademy brings new batches for UPSC CSE 2021, 22 and 23 aspirants starting from 22nd of September. These batches are created separately for the Hindi medium and the English medium students, wherein at Unacademy we are going to cover your entire syllabus from prelims till mains, covering your optional as well. We will be also covering the NCERTs and the classes will be taken by top educators of India. All the top educators, including those who have themselves they were also the ex-bureaucrats or retired bureaucrats, they are also coming on this platform to make your journey easy. We have a 2-year batch also, 1-year batch also, and all these batches are starting from 22nd of September. We have also introduced on Unacademy Plus a raise your hand feature, wherein now you can, in between the class, if you have any doubt, do not wait to comment it. Just raise your hand in the class and the educator will talk to you directly at that moment to solve your doubt. It's much better than offline, right? We have also launched different optional subjects in the month of September for you to clear your head, select your optional and get through with it. And also we have the optional prelims and mains test series along with all of this. There will be 20 set of books which will be delivered to your house covering the pre and main syllabus. Use code ARPITA10 to get 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. Subscribe before it's too late. The links are given below in the description box. तो आज के आज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपकी प्रिपरेशन जल्दी से शुरू हो सके. Now let us understand the bad banks. If they are going to be established, what will be the procedure for that? See, the NARCL and the IDRCL. IDRCL जो है वो India Debt Resolution Company है. Please write it down. It is India Debt Resolution Company Limited. Okay, it is also another entity when it comes to clearing of or managing the assets of the commercial banks. So the NARCL and the IDRCL structure is the new bad bank. इन दोनों को मिलाकर एक new bad bank का structure बनाया गया है. NARCL already is incorporated under the Companies Act, but right now it has applied for the license also. So it is going to acquire the stressed assets or the NPAs or the bad loans worth rupees 2 lakh crore from different commercial banks in different phases. And this IDRCL, it has also been set up. It will then try to sell the stressed assets. So NARCL will purchase or buy off these to acquire the stressed assets from commercial bank and it will sell them to recover them. Okay, point clear हुआ? They are going to work in cooperation with each other. And NARCL will first purchase bad loans from bank. It will pay 15%. Underline this, please write it down. It is important for prelims. It will pay 15% of the agreed price in cash. Remaining 85% will be paid in form of security receipts. When these assets are sold ना, IDRCL के मदद से जब ये assets बेच दिए जाएंगे, then commercial banks will be paid the rest of the amount. If the bad bank is unable to sell, मान लो जी bad bank नहीं sell कर पा रहा IDRCL, then the bad loan it has to be sold at loss. Okay, या फिर government guarantee को invoke करना पड़ेगा उस केस में. And government guarantee over here is 30,600 crore. Okay, so इसमें से use किया जाएगा which will be paid to raise the amount to be given to the commercial banks from the fund that government has provided. Okay, now why do we need a bad bank? हमें bad bank क्यों चाहिए? देखो, right now the stress of NPA has been increasing. As you all know, it is really very stressful for the economy to have these bad loans or you can say the NPAs. Okay, so first of all, the bad banks, they are these kind of banks will help us to get rid of all the toxic assets. It will reduce its the losses also in one quick move. जितने भी टॉक्सिक एसेट्स हैं जो कि प्रॉफिट्स को रिड्यूस कर रहे थे बैंक्स के, वो एकदम से एक क्विक मूव में हट जाएंगे. सो इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प द कमर्शियल बैंक्स विच आर सैडल्ड विद द हाई एनपीए लेवल्स. ओके, एंड Another important point is that so long as public sector banks managements they remain beholden to politicians and bureaucrats, their deficit in professionalism will remain, and subsequently prudential norms in lending will continue to suffer. So this bad bank is really a good idea, but the main challenge behind bad bank, is with the tackling of the underlying structural problems that are deep rooted in the banking system. बैंकिंग सिस्टम में इतने सालों से जो स्ट्रक्चरल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, जो अभी तक बसी हुई हैं, उनको खत्म करना एक चैलेंज होगा बैड बैंक के लिए. So this was all about the topic India's bad bank is born. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. I hope आपको आज का lecture अच्छा लगा हो. If you really enjoyed it, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you and have a nice day.